Hi guys, I'm Carl Radinil C. Maniego from Best Ed Science 2. In this video, I will discuss about
Oxidative phosphorylation. How electrons move through the electron transport chain.
the electron transport chain is the last component of aerobic respiration, and it is the only part of glucose metabolism that uses atmospheric oxygen. Oxygen continuously diffuses into plants. In animals, it enters the body through the respiratory system. Electron transport is the series of redox reactions that resemble a relay race or bucket brigade. In the electrons are passed rapidly from one component to the next, to the endpoint of the chain where the electron reduces molecular oxygen producing water. There are four complexes composed of proteins, and the aggregation of these four complexes labeled complex 1 to 4. In the electron transport chain, which are involved in moving electrons from NADH and FADH2 to molecular oxygen. Complex 1 establishes the hydrogen ion gradient by pumping 4 hydrogen ions across the membrane from the matrix into the intermembrane space. Complex 2 receives FADH2, which bypasses complex 1 and delivers electrons directly to the electron transport chain. Ubiquinone Q accepts the electrons from both complex 1 and complex 2 and delivers them to complex 3. Complex 3 pumps protons through the membrane and passes its electrons to cytochrome C for transport to the fourth complex of proteins and enzymes. Complex 4 reduces oxygen. The reduced oxygen then picks up 2 hydrogen ions from the surrounding medium to make water. Together with associated mobile, accessory electron carriers is called the electron transport chain. The electron transport chain is present in multiple copies in the inner mitochondrial membrane of eukaryotes and the plasma membrane of prokaryotes. Note, however, that the electron transport chain of prokaryotes may not require oxygen as some live in anaerobic conditions. The common feature of all electron transport chains is the presence of a proton pump to create a proton gradient across a membrane.